zombie when nature calls. Chapter Thursday. Me and the guys decided to go to the zombie cafe next to our school for lunch today. They sell all kinds of food there. Some of the kids at school say that the place is really clean, which kinda makes me a little nervous, but I've heard other kids say that the place is full of rats and bugs, which made me feel better. The main reason I go there is because they have my favorite food in the whole world, cake. I got a big, huge cake, and I was about to eat the whole thing, but I could see that Skelly didn't bring any money with him. Plus, he's been looking really skinny lately. Want some cake? I asked Skelly. Nah, thanks, he said. Cake usually goes right through me. I could use some mushroom milk, though my mom says it's full of calcium. I gave Skelly a few bucks and he got himself a carton of mushroom milk. As he drank it, I was a bit confused about how he gets the calcium part, seeing as he has no stomach. Creepy got himself some popping candy. It kinda made us all nervous. Everything time he ate some. Slimy got a mucus shake. It was green because I think it was mint flavored. I really like coming to the zombie cafe. I said, they have the best food. Yeah, me too, Skelly said. It sure beats the Chinese restaurant next door, the Walking Dead. My favorite restaurant is Drew and Gruel. Slimy said, I like bombastic pizza. Creepy said, me and my family always go there. No surprise there, I thought. Goodbye.